Hey! Social media marketing is a great way to promote your business and achieve a variety of goals, everything from building a dedicated following to driving sales on your website. It can also provide valuable insights into your customers' social activity. And it can play a vital role in growing your business. Now, let's talk about how to create a mobile social media campaign. Which targeting options are available on social networks, and a few guidelines on creating mobile social ads. There are 3 key steps to mobile social media advertising. First, determine which social media sites you want to use. Social networks serve different purposes, like growing personal relationships, content sharing, some focused on particular types of content like images or videos, and professional networking. Once you understand the objectives of a network, and the people who participate there, you can choose the places most relevant to your business. Then, take advantage of audience targeting features. Social media advertising solutions like Twitter, LinkedIn and Facebook offer various targeting options to help you get your ads in front of the right people. Finally, create ads with mobile in mind. People are more likely to visit social media sites on mobile devices. So your messages have to be optimized for viewing on small screens. Let's say you own a plumbing company in London. You want to raise awareness of your business to people living in your area by using targeted advertising on social media. You decide to run mobile ads on Facebook to drive more traffic to your site. And you set your campaign to target people in London. You also decide to target male homeowners, because you know they make up the majority of your customers. You also have the option to target people based on their interests, activities, and the pages they have liked on Facebook. So you refine your group to include men who have shown an interest in home improvement and plumbing problems. Social media sites have lots of information about their users, which allows you to target your audience in more meaningful ways. In our example, Facebook targeting has allowed your plumbing business to reach a very specific group of people, in a very specific area. Your next step is to create eye-catching ads aimed at mobile Facebook users. Since mobile screens are much smaller than desktops, it's best to keep your messages short and simple. Or you might choose to make your ads image-based, rather than text-based. For example, a carousel ad to showcase your newest line of drains and pipes. People can scroll to see all of your products, and click on an image to be taken directly to your website. So let's recap. First, choose the right social media sites for your advertising. Then, target your ads for your intended audience. And finally, create impactful ads made for mobile devices. As more people move towards using social media on their mobiles, a well-oiled social mobile marketing campaign could really help boost your advertising efforts. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.